Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're going to jump into my November Boxycharm. The November Boxycharm, I really wanted to get. I was seeing it on the gram and I was like, you know what? When I seen it, I was like, this is nice. And so I subscribed and I got the November Boxycharm. In the November Boxycharm, this palette came, Ace Beauty or Ace Beaute. I never received anything from this brand before, but this is how the palette look. And these are the colors in the palette. And I'm really not mad at it. I think this is a beautiful palette right here. I'm going to do some swatches of the shimmery shades just so you guys can see. We're going to do Jasmine first. Myrtle, which is really pretty. I don't know if you guys can see that. Primrose. That's one swipe. I'm sorry I'm ashy. I'm really not mad at that. Really not mad at that. And the Ace Beauty Grandos palette was $24.99, just to let you know. And then I got 4 brushes from Luxie Luminous Eye Set. So we're just jumping right into this. These are the products that I use to set my eyeshadow. So I use the NYX base. Y'all know I love that. And then I use my Maybelline Fit Me powder. And I set my primer with that powder. So this is just me applying it and getting my eyelids ready for my eyeshadow. Both products are really inexpensive. I got them from CVS. They're drugstore products. So this is me applying the powder. I'm going in with my first shade, which is going to be my transition color. It's going to be that nutmeg brown shade right there. And we're going to apply that as our first shade. It's going to be our transition color. It's almost like the same tone as my skin tone. And I'm just going to build that up until it gets to the color payoff that I like. And I'm just going to blend it out. One thing about these shadows in the palette, they're very pigmented. I like how they showed up on my skin. I was really shocked. This second shade right here is going to be our crease shade. And being as though we're going to do a halo eye, we're going to start from the outer V and we're going to apply the shadow. And then we're going to go in to our inner eyelid and we're going to apply it too. Then we're going to just blend everything out. I don't really do halo eyes that often. I was like, you know what, let's try it. You got to get into it. So we're just going to keep applying the color until we get what we want. This color was really like my best shade. Like I really loved it a lot. It was really pigmented. A really bright, vibrant color. So we're just going to blend out them edges and apply a little bit more of that transition color. Just to make sure everything is blended really well. There's nothing wrong with keep going back and blending out your shadow. We're cutting our crease now. And we're using, I want to say that NYX base. And a synthetic brush. And we're just going to cut our crease. So I'm just trying to straighten out my line a little bit on that cut crease. And then we're just fading in that shadow from the inner and the outer corner. And blending it out. So we're applying the gold shade on the middle of the lid. And we're just going to pat it in. And make sure it covers all the spaces where the concealer is. And then we're just going to go over the darker shade and just make sure everything is nice and deep and straight as possible. And I'm using an eyeliner brush. And then I'm applying more shade. And I'm just going to blend everything out. It's like pat, apply, repeat, pat, blend, repeat, fade in shadow. We're going in with a different shade right here. It's a shimmery shade, and we're just going to fade that in more just so it doesn't look so harsh. We're going to go and do our face and our other eye, and we'll be right back. Here we go, ladies. Yes. So this is what we got so far. So we're going in with the same transition shade, and we're just going to apply that all over our bottom lash line, bottom lid, and we're just going to like connect that eyeshadow all the way together. We're connecting it because that's the look that we're going for here. And then we're just going to blend it out with one of these Lux's brushes that I just received. And these brushes was like a good quality. I was really shocked at it. They're really small, but they're very much needed for eye looks. We're going in with a deeper brown shade, and we're just going to tight line it and apply that to that lower lid. And then we'll just blend everything out. I wanted to deepen up the bottom. So now we're applying, we're going to do a wing eyeliner, and we're using black. And this is one of my Stila liquid eyeliners, which was really good. Like, I was really shocked. Like, I liked it better than my Kat Von D. I figured I'd show y'all how I do my wing liner. Being so I think I always cut this clip out. And I really like going from my inner eyelid to my outer. I used to do my wing first, and that gave me so much trouble. But going in from my inner eye into my outer wing, it's like better for me. It like gives me like a guide. So if you're having problems, just try different ways to do your wing eyeliner. Like, it's trial and error, it's makeup. You're just supposed to have fun. So just checking myself out. So we're applying our lashes here. And guys, we're halfway there. Okay, this is what I came up with, guys. And I like it. I'm not in love with the lip. So I'm going to take the lip off. And I'm going to try a different lip. The lip gloss and the lip liner is just not doing it for me. And I'm just going to try something else. I'm going to go in with Velvet Tutty. Which is not coming up nude for me. Oh, it's coming up like pinky nude, I feel like. Guys, this is the finished look. I can honestly say, like, I like this. It's different for me, but I like it. This Ace Beauty palette was really nice. Like, the colors was really good. They blended out well. The quality of the palette is good. It feels kind of like flimsy because, you know, it don't have a mirror. It's not real heavy. But I feel like that's travel. It feels travel friendly, though. You know what I mean? Like I said, it don't have a mirror, but it do have shades for everybody. My light-skinned babies and my dark-skinned babies. You know, I made it work. I don't normally do a halo eye, but this really came out nice. I really recommend trying this palette and trying Boxycharm. I paid $21 and I got a couple of things. Like, I think the box was worth like $120 this month, and I paid $21. And everything I got out the box I can use. So I really recommend this palette. I really like it. Thank you, Boxycharm. Another thing that really stood out to me today, my liner, my Stila liquid liner in black. I gotta get me a full size of that. Cause my liner, I really like how it came out today. Every time I film, I hear noise. We gotta block it out. in the name of them. I really like my highlight. I normally don't use this a lot, but I use bronze, and I use bronze over my cheek, and then I put a little bit of moonstone in it right here, and I really like that highlight. My lips is Velvet Tutty brown lip liner and a ColourPop gloss. And guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial today. I try to film and talk to you guys, but I always get like some interruptions. That's why I do voiceovers. But this is different for me, but I really like it. I promise today I will get my eyebrows done. I keep pushing it off. But guys, I will see you on the next video, guys. Thank you for watching my channel.